All right, 7th graders, this is to help you with question 2 on CR number 6. Which equation is true when n equals 3? And they give you a series of equations. 2 times n equals 6, n plus 3 equals 7, 9 minus n is 13, n divided by 12 is 3. Again, I know this looks very similar to your CR, but I chose a different value for n to check. I'm going to use a method called guess and check. Guess and check is a good strategy when you're working on a multiple choice test. If I want to know which equation is true, maybe I'll guess letter D is true. Maybe I'm like, I think I'll check letter D. I'm going to guess it might be D. So I do n divided by 12 is 3. I'm going to go ahead and substitute a 3 in place of the n. So I'm going to take the value they gave me for n, I'm going to put it in place of n, see if it makes a true statement. So instead of n over 12, I tell you n is 3. So I'm going to do 3 over 12 is equal to 3. Like, is 3 divided by 12 the same as 3 whole? I'm going to be honest with you. 3/12, if I eat 3/12 of a pizza, I didn't even eat 1 whole pizza. I certainly didn't eat 3 whole pizzas. But let me go ahead and simplify this and see what 3/12 is in simplest form. If I divide numerator and denominator by 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So if I eat 3/12 out of a pizza, I've eaten 1/4 of the pizza. I haven't eaten 3 whole pizzas. This is not a true statement. This is false. 1/4 is not the same as 3. All right, I guessed it was letter D. I checked it. It didn't work. So I'm like, oh, maybe it's letter C. 9 minus n equals 13. So I'm going to guess maybe letter C is the right answer. And then I'm going to substitute a 3 in place of n. Lots of ways to go about this problem. I'm choosing guess and check because I just want to go through that strategy with you. So in place of n, I'm going to check to see if 3 works. 9 minus 3, I'm wondering if that's 13. Well, what's 9 minus 3? 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 does not equal 13. Okay, C didn't work out. I'm like, I'm going to guess. I'm going to guess it's B. I feel strongly it's probably letter B. N plus 3 equals 7. Come on, lucky N. So again, I'm going to check if I substitute 3 in place of N. I'm going to do 3 plus 3 equals 7. 3 plus 3 is 6. Yeah, 6 so does not equal 7. It's not letter B. It better be letter A. So this is 2n equals 6. Well, that means 2 times n if I don't see an operation between. So now again, I'm going to substitute a 3 in place of n. So that's 2 times in place of n. I'm going to substitute my 3. 2 times 3, we're going to see if that's 6. Please be 6. 6 equals 6. I finally have a true statement. So if I took 3 and substituted into letter A, I would make a true equation. So that's a little guess and check. Lots of ways to go about this problem. You could have chosen to just solve each of those equations. If you remember how to solve one-step equations, I'll do the first one for you. 2n equals 6. This would be another way to go about it, to just straight on solve those equations. 2 times n is 6. How do I undo multiplication? I undo multiplication using division, opposite of multiplication, division, to get n by itself. I would have to divide by 2. Dividing that out, I'd have n by itself. If I'm going to divide the left-hand side by 2, I need to divide the right-hand side of the equation by 2. 2 divided by 2, fancy form of 1. This side I'm left with n equals 6 divided by 2 is 3. That would be the direct way to go about it. But your teachers might be wanting you to get at guess and check, to just check whether or not something's a solution to an equation. All right, I hope that helps.